Alright, so Ford stock, we're at $9.09 with a market cap of 35 billion. That is awesome. We are so close to 10 bucks. Our run up has been amazing. You may say it hasn't been that big of a run up, but for Ford, that's a huge run up. Going from $6 to $9 it since July, that's amazing. If you bought in, you made some good money. And right now, we got some concerns on the horizon. So Ford falls after Morgan Stanley downgrades on EV strategy. So Ford's electric vehicle strategy is unclear to Morgan Stanley, and that's why they downgraded its Ford rating to equal weight. So pretty much they say Morgan Stanley downgraded Ford to equal weight from overweight, while the investment firm affirmed its $9 price target. So they go on to say that Ford shares last checked were 4.5% lower than $9.03. And this is a few days ago. So we're doing this on Saturday, 11/28/2020. And Ford has the right urgency for electric vehicles, Morgan Stanley noted, but its strategy is not fully clear to the firm. The business remains saddled in Europe with a value negative 9 billion and it's subscale in China versus other major manufacturers, analyst Adam Jonas said. So we believe it can ultimately transition to EVs and can leverage strong fleet and commercial positions, but faces substantial headwinds on high margin products that face de-adoption. And so this is pains me to say it because, I'm essentially calling millionaires and rich people idiots, but to say that their price target is 9 bucks and the EV strategy isn't clear, what's not clear about their strategy? They're producing the electric Mustang, they're working to get the electric F-150, and they're pretty much launching a commercial fleet of EV vehicles, the small vans and such. That's a badass strategy, and that's why Ford is up. So I think they're hitting Ford a little too much here. Ford right now has so much more room to grow than other car companies, and the new CEO is doing it. He's amazing. He is what we need at Ford. Big changes have come, and big changes are coming. So for them to downgrade Ford from equal from overweight to equal weight and have a price target of $9, we're at $9.09. And that's just, I don't know, it's kind of ludicrous because they're making all the right plays, they're making all the right decisions, and once they actually start producing these, it's going to be awesome for Ford. They're going to be earning serious money. Now, on the flip side of this, yeah, Ford could maybe pull what Fisker did, coming at way too high with the F-150, electric F-150, way too high with the electric Mustang versus Tesla. It's just, yeah, there's always downsides that you could see where they could mess up, but right now their EV vehicle strategy is solid. They're actually doing something and they're diversifying. So I think this analyst is just not. I think he's kind of a dumbass, and I'm probably calling a millionaire a dumbass. But who knows? Maybe he's right. maybe it could tank, and it's unclear. But right now, Ford is at the bottom. Their their stock is $9, and they're making big changes. Yeah, they're doing shitty in Europe. They're doing shitty in China. What does that tell me? They've got room to grow. I thoroughly believe that assuming no major economic event happens and we're on the verge of a depression, we're in the worst recession right now. It just hasn't hit a lot of people yet. But I think Ford is on its way to $14. I thoroughly believe that. But, this is just my opinion. So do your own research. And hey, maybe this guy's right. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong, who knows? But all I know is Ford has been guided these last few years the wrong way because of the shitty CEO that they had, the furniture salesman, and now we have a car guy who is making awesome changes. So I'm getting in Ford. I've already got Ford stock above $9, unfortunately, but I am going to keep filling my bags at this lower price point because once they start offering that dividend, that's where investing comes from. You get in at a great price, stock goes up, so you're up in profit on that. You start earning dividends. Is investing. So do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.